In today's increasingly competitive marketplace, providing value from the customer's point of view is the most important key to attracting and keeping today's customers. That's why value should be the focus of every aspect of business, including operations. Value can be defined as the ratio of a product or service's performance to its cost. Performance has three important traits: quality, or how well the product meets or exceeds the expectations of the customer; speed, the time needed to deliver the product to the customer, or the time needed to design and produce the product; and flexibility, how easily the company can change the product to more closely match the needs of the customer. It's also very important for the value equation to be taken into consideration during the production of a product. As the value equation for a particular product changes, the OM system must also change. Bike manufacturers are good examples of an industry that has significantly different customer markets with different values. While some customers are casual riders who want an inexpensive, durable bike, others are highly sophisticated enthusiasts who demand the latest innovations and the best quality regardless of the price. Trek is a high-end bike manufacturer that sells products to customers who place value on high quality and innovation. In the value equation, quality is the most important factor, followed closely by speed and flexibility. Price is not as important a consideration.
One of the most important goals that I have in my job is to listen to what people are saying internally here at the Trek headquarters, or what dealers are saying, or what my direct face-to-face interface has been with enthusiasts out in the field, and listen to what they say and devise a product that caters to their needs.
Trek emphasizes quality by developing extensive R&D and testing programs, using high-quality materials, and developing flexible manufacturing processes using highly skilled workers. Testing is a very important part of the manufacturing process at Trek. Most testing occurs on the front end, or during the design and development of a new product. Trek conducts numerous tests on the various materials and designs they use. One of these tests is a high-cycle fatigue test, using Japanese industrial standards, that evaluates the durability of a bike frame. Even under everyday riding conditions, a bike frame will flex in and out of its natural shape to absorb force. After a while, the frame loses this fatigue strength and will break. The high-cycle fatigue test determines the breaking point of a bike frame by repeatedly applying force to the frame.
Just about everyone I meet, when I tell them that I break bikes, it's the easiest way to explain my job. And they say, wow, that's really neat. It's not just, well, I'm going to break it, and I break it, and they say, well, okay, it broke. I go back and I measure how it was broken, how much force it takes, what kind of deflection occurred during this loading. And then I'll go back and look at the failure and how it failed, and why did it fail, and can we make it better? Can we make one part stronger, one part a little thinner or a little weaker, so that the whole part is about the same strength?
One of Trek's most recent developments is the carbon composite lug, which is used in the joint of the bike frame for increased lightweight strength. Instead of building a frame from one unit, the lug enables Trek to assemble a frame from a series of lightweight tubes. The lug connects these tubes so that the frame is more durable, and the lugs are lightweight so they don't make the frame heavier. Trek has also implemented a manufacturing process that is flexible enough to introduce new changes on a regular basis. This way they can quickly and easily introduce the latest innovations to their product lines, which is so important in their market. They do this by using a batch assembly process that emphasizes quality hand craftsmanship. Not only does this approach allow them to adapt new changes quickly, it allows them to quickly and efficiently adapt the manufacturing process to handle the diverse technology used to build a wide range of bikes. An example of this is the patented OCLV technology Trek uses to produce some of their carbon fiber frames. OCLV stands for Optimum Compaction Low Void, and is a process that compresses the carbon fibers for the best strength possible. This technology allows Trek to strengthen key areas of the bike frame, but each bike model has different requirements.